Think you need 1,000 subscribers to start earning on YouTube? Think again. In 2025, monetizing your channel is easier than ever. No, I'm not talking about half monetization, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you earn commissions by promoting products. All you need to do is join an affiliate program, make a video about a product, paste your affiliate link in the description. If someone buys through your link, boom, you earn a commission. It's that simple. And the best part? You don't need 1,000 subs to get started. Method 2. Sponsorships. Sponsorship means collaborating with brands for paid promotions. Many YouTubers earn a lot through sponsorships, sometimes more than ad revenue, but be careful. There are scammers out there pretending to be brands. If you want a dedicated video on how to safely land real sponsorships, drop a comment below. Method 3. Merchandise sales. This one's for creators with a loyal audience. Merchandise sales mean you sell your own products. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, whatever fits your brand. Big YouTubers like MrBeast do this all the time. But even small creators with engaged fans can make good money from merch. Remember, if your viewers love you, they'll love to support you. Monetizing on YouTube in 2025 is more accessible than ever. If this video gets good views or reaches new audiences, I'll drop part 2 with more powerful methods. So if you got value today, like this video and subscribe to the channel. My goal is 100,000 subscribers and the silver play button, and with your help, I know I can get there. And hey, if you're not getting views, it's probably because you don't understand how the YouTube algorithm works. Want to learn how it really works? In just 114 seconds? Click here to watch that video now. See you there.